Okay, so now we are in the day 14, and we will discuss about the timeline. That's in 30 seconds. So yeah, yesterday we already have the we already have the task from yesterday, so we can discuss about the timeline. But first, I think it is worth to note about the how I spare my free time each day. So let's see the calendar. So yeah, every day I plan to spare 30 minutes in the weekdays and like 3 hours in the weekends. And yeah, I think I should consider that in my sprint. So I think when it comes to developing a software project, working on a software project, I think I should consider about sparing my time not only about the development but also reading the documentations, also finding some APIs, because this day I was looking for the Hanse API, and it took me sometimes so much time to find the Hanse API. And I think when I uh, eventually work full time, I think I can eventually work full time. I think I cannot do that because I obviously I cannot do that in my work. So I think I should consider that. And yeah, I think let me write it in OneNote. Oops. Yeah, let's see it in OneNote. So in every software project, there are usually hotfixes as well as the minor patch and the major patch. I mean the major version and the minor version. So let's see this in main section. Where is the okay? Okay, yeah. Let me write it down in this section. So yeah, let's write it Monday to Friday is 30 minutes, and Saturday to Sunday, we just call it weekdays and weekends. So in weekdays, I should spare my time like 30 minutes, and for the weekends, I should spare like 3 hours. So I think for the weekdays, I should do the development things, and for the weekends, I think I should do like maybe call it development routine, and for the weekend, I should call it like occasional like routine development. routine development. And for the 3 hours, should be like occasional occasions, like about the management, like managing the project, like planning. Um, Also, I think for the hot fixes, or should I? Sorry, I think I should write it hot fixes and reading. So in this case, I think I want to spare like 1 week for um, for hotfix, and 2 weeks for minor release. So I think let's just write it. So in total, we have 3 weeks every new PRD. So 3 weeks, 3 weeks like new PRD. So in that, we have 1 week for hotfixes and 2 weeks for minor release, or maybe just call it for feature for features. Okay. Yeah. In this case, before we do the hotfix, we do the planning, and yeah, I think let's see. Let's write it week 1, and let's move it to the bottom. And day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's differentiate it as the weekends. And oops, I think I shouldn't do it like this. I think the day should be um, the row instead of the column. So let's write it day 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, let's write it week 1 and week 2 and week 3. Okay, so for the week 1, in the day 1 we have the planning. So the day 1 is Monday. And yeah, let's see how it went. So we have the planning, the rough planning, like we do right now. The yeah, um, like this. Like what we are currently working. So the maybe how to say, like whiteboard. Just say that whiteboard. Then we have the PRD. Then we have the task. Then we have the timeline. Then yeah, for the day 5, actually I haven't gotten any idea to fill to yeah, what should I fill on that day. Let's see. Well, for day 6, I think we should do the hot fix, and for the day 7, the day 6 is so the hotfix is done in one day, and the day 7 is reading, like yeah, reviewing the related articles for our main features. So reading, maybe call it reading one, reading one. And then for the day 1 to day 5, we work on the feature. Um, Maybe call it dev 1, call it dev 1, dev, or just call it feature. uh, in the entire weekdays feature. Then in the day 6, maybe we have um, or let me see, is 3 weeks too much, or I think I can do this in 2 weeks, because the hotfix is only like one day, and for the features we do it in the whole weekdays. Maybe I can do it in reading feed. Maybe I can do do it like this: reading hotfix, then like this. So in the Saturday, we have more more time to work on the feature, and the day 7, maybe the release. So the release will be held on the Sunday, and yeah, I think the day 6 will be the like wrap up. uh, I mean, the day 6 is the big feature, and the day 7 is wrap up and release. I think we can do it in 2 weeks, because I think 3 weeks is too much for minor version. So so like this, I think. Let's erase it, and we do it like this. So one day hotfix 1 week features. Oops, fixes. Okay, I think I should do it like this. So by this, we have the timeline now, and let's move on to the timeline. Oops. So we will do hotfix, reading the hotfix tomorrow, but maybe I should add reading hotfixes articles for hotfixes. Yeah, and I should add the reading articles for the features. Okay, I put it in this. Okay, so yeah, we will also add the detail later. But first, let's add the time. Maybe start duration 1 day. Let's call it maybe time. So this and then the first test is, oh, so it's 1 day. The first test, oh yeah, in 1 day. Then reading articles for features. What happened? Oops. What happened? I think I should, yeah, like that. Okay. Oh, I haven't saved that before. And yeah, let's add this on Sunday. And for the routing, so we have like 6. Oh yeah, I should also write the release. Um, let's find the oh, it's on the pull request before. Yeah. And oh, for the bus, I think I write it as hosting instead of release. Yeah. Okay. Maybe just rename it to make it clear. Just call it release. Okay. Cool. And then let's add the release. Oh yeah. Maybe just add the feature in the whole. Maybe let's pick the some feature. Routing, and then the answer list state. I think it should be find new state. It should be separate in the separate. Let's add some iterations. Yeah, it's quite messy for now, but yeah, let's keep it like that. So API truth. I think I can do it in one day for this. Okay, and then release. Let's add the 11th time. Then we have this, this, and this. Okay. Yeah, I think we have Oh, I think for this should be like 5 days. Should spare 5 days for that. Let's how to edit the time. Date fields, maybe in the properties. Yeah, so for what time is that? I think the time 5, right? The time 5. We should uh, edit that as 5 days. So let's see. 5. It's like 5 days. So till Friday. And apply. So let's remove it. Remove it. Oh, there's a brick. No, we don't brick. Okay. Save it. Okay. Then we can edit. Oh, I think I shouldn't remove that. Okay. Yeah, so we have 7 iteration times like this. Okay. So we have whiteboarding. We have whiteboarding in the Monday. What date is Monday? So yeah, 22, 22nd. I mean, 22nd we have whiteboarding. Then we have PRD for 23rd, and then the class in the 24th, and currently we are in the 25th for the timeline. And yeah, and tomorrow we will have the reading articles for hotfixes and reading articles for features. Yeah, I think there's no description to be added before. I think the description should be added after. Add description after one, time 2, time 3, time 4, time 5, and time 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then also add this. Then add this, and we also, I think for release, do I add some comments in the release. Oh yeah, there should be comment. Okay, then put it on the to-dos. Time is out. And yeah, let's convert it into an issue. Okay, let's convert it into an issue. Okay, it turns to an issue. And I think let's convert, what should, maybe it should be quality, or I think there should be a new label, reading materials. Let's convert it, convert the this week into issue, the others. Okay, and I think what, until the reading articles, I think reading articles for feature. So we do it as maybe bug, and then oh yeah, I think I should also yeah, I think I can end this stream right now. Thank you.